Hello everyone, thanks for clicking my video. And in this video we are going to see yes or no type questions of part 3. Already we have completed is, was, or you and have you plus ever. And in this video we are going to see do and does with example sentences. Are you ready? Let's get going. Welcome back. In this video we are going to focus on do or does to frame yes or no type questions. Both do and does are used for present tense only. Okay. Now let's look at some example sentences with do. What is the form of do? Do plus subject plus verb. Do plus subject plus verb. Okay. Do order என்னென்ன subjects use பண்ணலாம். So do order we can use I, we, you, they. These four subjects can be used to frame yes or no type questions with do. Example, do you know the answer? Do you know the answer? உங்களுக்கு answer தெரியுமா? So do plus you plus verb. Again, do you know English? Do you know English? Do plus you plus know is again a verb. So similarly, you can frame lots of questions using do plus you plus verb. So என்னென்ன verbs உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமோ do plus you plus போட்டுட்டு you can frame questions. Next, do you like me? Do you like this video? Do you read the books? Do you read the books? Do you ride a horse? Do you ride a horse? Do you drive a car? Do you drive a car? So the meaning of these sentences are very simple. உங்களுக்கு answer தெரியுமா? உங்களுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் பேச தெரியுமா? நீங்க கார் ஓட்டுவீங்களா? நீங்க ஹார்ஸ் ரைட் பண்ணுவீங்களா? நீங்க books read பண்ணுவீங்களா? So all these are in the present tense only. The meaning is also so simple. If you want to use with I use பண்ணலோ அப்படின்னா do I need a dictionary? எனக்கு dictionary தேவையா? Do I need a teacher? எனக்கு teacher வேணுமா? So using instead of you can use I also. Next subject they use பண்ணியும் நம்ம பண்ணலாம். Do they come with us? Do they come with us? அவங்க நம்ம கூட வருவாங்களா? Do the students prepared for the exam? Do the students prepared for the exam? Students is a they. So they அப்படின்னா ஒன்றுக்கு மேற்பட்டவர்களை we used to say as they. That may be animals or plural form noun. எந்த plural form noun இருந்தாலும் we can use they. So உங்களுக்கு அவனை தெரியுமா அப்படின்னு கேட்கறது கூட do you know him? Do you know him? Do you know Ram? Rama உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா? So these sentences are very much helpful to the beginners. So the beginners can use all these sentences to make their everyday daily casual conversation so simple. So இந்த questions எல்லாம் நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணா மட்டும்தான் உங்களுக்கு மறக்காம இருக்கும். Please try using these questions with your friends, with your colleagues and with your family members. So எப்படி யூஸ் பண்றது? So simple. Do plus you plus உங்களுக்கு என்ன verb வேணுமோ, என்ன செயலை பத்தி நீங்க கேட்கணுமோ, you can put the verb as a third part and complete the question. Next part 2 is let's use does to frame a yes or no type questions. So what is the form for that? Does he, she, it plus verb. So does kuda we can use only the subjects he, she, it. So does ku பக்கத்துல you, I இதெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. It is grammatically wrong. So இதுவும் present tenseல தான் question frame பண்றதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுது. So does she play guitar? Does Annie play guitar? அப்படிதான் கேட்க முடியும். Annie means it refers to she category. Does Annie drink coffee every day? Annie எப்போயும் coffee drink பண்ணுவாங்களா? Does Annie practice yoga every day? Does Annie practice yoga every day? So after does we have to use the third person singular subject she or he. Next, does he like yogurt? Does he like yogurt? Yogurt means nothing. தயிரை தான் என்ன சொல்லுவோம் அப்படின்னா yogurt. Does he like yogurt? Does she speak French? நீயா இருந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா do you speak French அப்படின்னு கேட்போம் ஆப்போசிட் பர்சனில். தேர்ட் பர்சனை கேட்கணும் அப்படின்னா does she speak French? Does she speak Hindi? அப்படி கேட்கலாம். Does your brother wake up early? Does your brother wake up early? Your brother is again he. So he, she, it வந்தா we have to use does in front of the question. So இந்த shopkeeper இதை செல் பண்ணுறாங்களா அப்படின்னு கேட்கணும். Does the shopkeeper sell mangoes? Does the shopkeeper sell apples? So ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட பொருள் செல் பண்றாங்களான்னு கேட்கறதுக்கு we can use does the shopkeeper because shopkeeper refers to he or she. he ஆவும் இருக்கலாம் she ஆவும் இருக்கலாம். So does the shopkeeper sells mangoes? We can ask it. itக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிளே சொல்லலையே அப்படின்னா does the dog eat vegetables? Here dog refers to it. Does the dog eat vegetables? Dog வந்து vegetables சாப்பிடுமா? That's the meaning of this sentence. Does your teacher conduct test every day? Does your teacher conduct test every day? So every day உங்க டீச்சர் வந்து டெஸ்ட் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்களா அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுக்கும் we can use does. So I have given you almost about 20 sentences using do, you and does, he, she, it. So you to get familiarized with these sentences, practice all these sentences in your everyday life, in school and colleges and office so that you never forget all these sentences. Hope you like this lesson very much. I'll meet you with another interesting lesson on Friday vocabulary. Thank you. Bye-bye.